See the next problem. Draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have, see the first one point in common, the second one 2 points in common, the third one 3 points in common, the fourth one 4 points is common, the fifth one ray in common. Okay, see now you have to draw the rough diagram for in this one. Okay, see, draw rough diagram of two angles such that they have, see the first one, what is the first one? 1 point in common, and then what is the given condition? Two angles, 1 point. So how can you draw? See here, I can take you need two angles, 1 point. So 1 point, two angles. Everybody clear? So we have to note it down the points. This is A, this one is B, C, this is D. Here the vertex point is O. So this is the example for 1 point and then two angles. Clear? So O is the common point between C, O, D, this angle, and then A, O, sorry, this is A, O, B in this angle. So O is the common point between in this two angle. Clear? So we have to write O is common point between the angle COD and the angle AOB. Clear? This is the example of 1.2 angle concept. See the next one. Two angle, 2 points. How can you draw two angle, 2 points? See, this is one angle, but two angle means this one, 2 points. Say this is O, B, C. Yeah, okay, I got it. See here, two angles, okay, 2 points. Where is the 2 point? See, OB. This OB is common for this angle. The same OB is common for this angle. So two angles, 2 points. Clear? See what is that? OB are common points. Now here O and B are common points between, write the angle, what is that? AOB. And what is the another angle? BOC. See, OB is the common for this two angle, that means AOB, OB, and then BOC. Here also OB is the common points. Clear? Now we see the third one. What is that? Two angles but 3 points. How can you draw? The same thing. See, here. Okay, in this one, O, A, B, C, this is E. What is that? The given concept is two angles. That means see here, this is the two angles and then 3 points. See here, B, E, O, 3 points is common for this angle and then this angle. So here, how can you write for in that one? O, E and B are common points. Right? Now, between two angle. What is that angle? AOB and the angle BOC. So, two angle, 3 common points. Clear? Now, see the next one. What is the fourth one? 4 point in common, then 2 angles. Okay? See. How can you draw? See here. So, O, this is A, B, C, D, and then this is called E. Now see here, two angles. This is one angle, this is another angle. Okay. So, two angle, 4 common points. See, O, E, D, A. Okay. So, here you can write O, E, D and A are common points. Clear? These are all the common points between two angles. What is the angle? See here, angle BOA and the angle COA. Clear? So the angle BOA and the angle COA. So two angles, 4 common points. The third one. What is the third one? One ray in common, but 2 angles you need. How can you draw? 2 angles means I have to take in this one. See here, 2 angle. First I have to note it down the name. This is O, A, B. This one is C. What is that? OC is the common ray between, that means one ray, 2 angles. So OC is the commons of the angle. What is that? BOC and AOC. Clear? So we have to write OC is common ray between, see, BOC, the angle BOC and the angle this one. What is that? AOC. Everybody clear? Okay. See, what is the question? In this one, you have to draw a rough diagram of 2 angles such that they have 1 point in common. You need 2 angle, 1 point common. So see this diagram. Okay. 1 point is O. 2 angle means this angle and this one. So we can write O is the common point between COD. See here, this is one angle, and then AOB. This is another angle. So whatever it may be, 2 angle is common for this all 5 points. That means 5 questions. So we can write this is an 2 angles. O is the common point, only 1 point in common. Next, second one. What is the second one? 2 point, 2 angle. Say 2.2 angle. 2 angle means you have to draw this one. Okay, 2 angle and then 2 points you need means you have to take OB. See, in this angle OB and this angle is also OB. So, OB is a common point. So, O and B are common points between these two angles. What is the name of in these two angles? AOB is one angle. The another one BOC is the another angle. So, two angles, two common points. That means OP. See the third one. What is the third one? 3 points, 2 angles. The same diagram you can draw, or otherwise you can draw this one. Okay. See 2 angle, 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points. So OEB are 3 common points between this one angle. This is another angle. So we can say that AOB and then BOC. These two angles OEB is the common points. Clear? The next fourth one. What is the fourth one? 4 points, 2 angle. Okay. See here. OEDA. 1, 2, 3, 4 points. See 2 angles. So OEDA are common points between BOA and then COA. These 2 angles. Next, one ray in common 2 angle unit. See this diagram. See, OC is the common ray between this and this angle. What is this? BOC. The another one AOC. So here OC is the common ray between BOC and AOC angles. Everybody clear the idea? Okay. Everybody know this concept? Okay. Next we see triangles. See here. See the diagram. I have to draw one diagram. See. In this one is called A. This is B. This one is C. Okay. Now we are going to see the triangle. A triangle is a 3 sides polygon. Okay. See here 3 sides polygon. In fact, it is polygon with the least number of sides. Right, the polygon least number of sides. That means it is the polygon with the least number of sides. Look at the triangle in the diagram. We write the triangle ABC. That means we have to note it down. Triangle ABC. Okay. See the triangle ABC, instead of writing triangle ABC. Clear? Okay. In triangle ABC, how many sides and how many angles are there? Any idea for in that one? How many sides? See the 3 sides. See here 1, 2, 3. The 3 sides of the triangle are, what is that? The name of the sides? AB, BC and then CA. We can write the line segment. AB. Okay, this is the line segment symbol. Clear? You know that? BC and CA. So, the 3 sides of the triangle are AB, BC, CA. The 3 angles are, see what is that angle? BAC. The next angle BCA. The next angle ABC. See here BAC, BCA, ABC. three angles. The points A, B and C are called the vertices of the triangle. Clear? Everybody clear? See the next picture. See here. I have to take one triangle. See, this one is P, this is Q, this is R. See this triangle. Being a polygon, a triangle has an exterior and an interior in the figure. So see here, P is in the interior of the triangle. See, and this R is in the exterior on the triangle. And Q on the triangle. Everybody clear? See, once again, see this triangle concept. I have to draw one triangle. See this triangle. A triangle is a three sides polygon. Clear? So in fact it is the polygon with the least number of sides. Look at the triangle. In the diagram we write the triangle ABC instead of writing triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, how many sides and how many angles are there? See, in this diagram, that means in this triangle, three sides. What is that sides? AB, okay, BC and then CA. That is the line segment denoted by the symbol is in that one. So the three sides of the triangle are AB, BC and CA. And the three angles are BAC, BCA and then ABC. See here. Okay. See three angles. See, this is one, this is another one, this is third. See, you need this one means BAC. See here. Next you need this one means BCA. Second one. Okay. Next this one means, see here, first in this angle you need means BAC. Okay. Next this one you need means BCA. Next this one you need means ABC. So see these three sides and then three angles. Clear? So the points A, B, C are called the vertices of the triangle. Okay. So see the another diagram. See here, in this diagram, being a polygon, a triangle has exterior and an interior. In this figure, P is in the interior of the triangle. R is in the exterior of this triangle. And Q on the triangle. Everybody clear? Now we see some exercise problem. See here. The first problem, draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior is the point A is the point A in its exterior or in its interior. Okay, this is the question. What is here? Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Okay, now I have to draw the rough sketch. This is A, this one is B, this is C. Mark a point P in its interior. Okay, I have to mark the point P. And a point Q in its exterior. Okay. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? What is that? See, A is interior or exterior? What is that? A is neither interior nor exterior. Okay, so we have to write point A lies on the given triangle only. Okay, lies on the triangle ABC. It lies neither in interior nor exterior. Everybody clear the concept? See, what is that? You have to draw the rough sketch for ABC. Mark a point P in its interior. Okay. And a point Q is it in its exterior. Okay. In this one, is a point A in its exterior or in its interior? That is the question. So, which place? A is interior or exterior? Now, how can you find it out of in that one? A is interior? No. A is exterior? No. So, we can say that neither interior nor exterior. So, the point A lies on the given triangle ABC. It lies neither interior nor exterior. Everybody clear? Okay, this problem is very easiest one. Clear? Thank you.